Hi guys, My Toys here.
Yeah, My Toys.
We're here today we have some guest appearances on our channel, and we're opening 4 Littlest Pet Shop Paint Splash and Pets, 2 Imaginex Series 2 blind bags, and 3 Play-Doh eggs.
Okay, come on, let's go. I'll do it first.
Okay, the assistant is going to go first.
I knew it. Hey, you're supposed to.
Go ahead, assistant. Can you open it in the camera, assistant? Thanks.
I don't.
We want them to see it. We want everyone at home to see it.
Hey.
Let's see what she got.
Oh.
Okay, who's
The head
this?
moves.
The head moves? Let's see who it is. Oh, this one doesn't tell names. This is just numbers.
Yeah, it's fine.
Look at how cute it is. The head moves.
Your turn.
She has stars on her. That's pretty cute, assistant. Okay, now it's going to be our special guest, Skylar's turn.
Hey, after this, do you want to go play with... Hey! And then...
Oh,
see?
oh, this one's really cool.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Okay, let's see.
It just tells numbers. I'm going to tell her something.
Okay,
Hey, after
and let's see.
I know.
Here she is.
After this, do you want to play in snow?
It's like a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
What?
Oh, yeah, but...
It's a butterfly.
Your turn. Your turn. We got 2 of them. Just for you. You should get 2 bunch. 2 bunch. 2. Oh! A bird!
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, a bird.
Oh, it is a bird.
I told you.
I think the head's turned.
Yeah, the head's turned. See?
That is really, that's cute.
The head's turned. Oh my gosh.
And she has hearts. Which one's your favorite, you guys?
I love that one too.
Everyone likes the pink one?
Yeah. What
What about this poor little butterfly? No one likes me.
I like them too, and I like that one and that one. I like all of them.
Those are pretty cool.
Me too, I like all of them.
Okay, now what's next?
Me. It's your turn.
Assistant.
It's your turn.
Assistant, you're opening Imaginex.
Oh.
Yep, that's yours. Open that one.
You have to do it in front of the camera.
Right here, assistant. You probably have to cut it a little more right there. Right.
Why is my finger wet?
Ooh, what is it? Oh, he has a sword. Here, there's more inside.
It's a snake.
Oh, a snake. Let's see what we have to do here. We've never had these before. Let's see here. What is
Put the
this?
snake around his hat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yep, you do.
Like that.
Oh, that's cool.
The hat. It's right there.
Does he have a name or something, or no?
No. Then you give him this.
Then you give him this
Your
sword.
turn. Where do you go?
That's kind of silly.
Whoa.
Why does he got a snake on his head?
Oh,
Okay.
there's more characters. And it comes with Legos. They're called Legos.
Yeah.
Legos.
Okay, now it's Skylar's turn.
We're opening another pet shop.
What are we opening?
What is pet shop?
Oh, well, that's an alien-looking thing. Oh,
Oh,
it's a turtle. Oh.
I love that one, that one.
That one's cute.
That one, and that one. That one, that one. And me too.
Okay, Lily's turn. She's going to open the other Imaginex. I hope we don't get a duplicate.
It's called duplicate. Oh.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
That means...
Is it the same one?
Yeah.
Ah,
Darn it.
duplicate.
I'll put the card over here. I'll put the cards over here. Hey, we got 2 cards.
I think that cut.
Actually, you did that. Let's cut it.
That's all right.
Okay.
We have okay. Now you guys do it. Which one do you want to do next?
I want to do Play-Doh.
No, this is mine.
I want to do this one.
Okay.
It's mine.
Oh, yeah,
she's-
you go first. I'm going first,
Okay.
remember?
And then I go second.
I thought I go second. You already went. No, I go second after her. Remember? Fashion.
Okay, we gotta fashion.
Okay.
My Little Pony fashion. Who is this one, Gianna? Do you know?
Your turn. Okay, I don't know.
Okay, I don't know.
Ow! Let's see. Can't get it in. Can't get that thing.
Oh, the sword?
Let's see. It's okay.
There we go.
There we go. We got
Okay, Skylar's a pro at this. Oh, look at that. It's a, what is it? A trash pack.
Trash pack. Trash
It's the mushroom.
Now it's your turn. It's your turn.
Now it's Lily's turn.
Hey, don't come on, Lily. Be quiet. Oh no, your egg cracked open.
The toaster.
Toaster. Yeah. You already knew that. Now it's my turn. My turn. I'm gonna go for this. Who's gonna come out of the goo? I am in front of the. Iron Man. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, you guys stuck in the goo. It's good.
Who's in the goo?
Iron Man. Iron Man. Make it fart.
This goo is kind of gross.
Yeah, it's kind of gross. Okay. Kind of funny. Make it fart. What do we do with this?
That one doesn't fart. Those are the flarps.
What are we gonna do with this?
What do you want to do with it?
I don't know.
Make it make noise.
Okay. What is that?
Oh no, we got some in his head. How do we get out of his head?
Okay, here we go. Whoa! No, it's my turn.
You guys can do it together.
Okay, ready? 1 second, a lot of time. Yeah, because I'm squirrel. Okay, come on. We gotta do it together. Take it out. Okay, we have some goo here. Now we're gonna put it in the cup. And we got some slime. And we got some slime. Whoa! Oh, thank you so much. Out of your hand. Oh my gosh. It just farted. See?
It did.
Farted.
All right. Now they're going to go play with all these new toys.
Now I can't. I'm going out.
All right, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Like and
Bye.
subscribe.
Bye.
You can poke your heads in.
Bye.